This is the second short involving Glumpous, the little kitty, because Glumpous just had a bath. Glumpous looks weird and funny. Don't you, Glumpous? His fur feels so weird. I'm gonna make a short around every 5 days or so. Upwards of 7 or 8. Why are you screaming, buddy? Why are you? Glumpous. Glumpous Mirio Radtke. Also, for some reason, he really likes House of Memories, like the song. Like, every single time I play it, he just stops crying immediately, especially when I sing with it. Yeah, you can't argue with me there, can ya? Yup.